cook. Howdy, folks. Bill Oxidean out here, happy as can be. You want to know why I'm happy? Because I'm out here with my buddy, the Dominator Mono. I love this thing. It totally rips. It screams. In fact, we just sold 2 Dominators this morning to different customers that called in, and we're very pleased because they could call in. We answer the phone. We have advice for you because we run boats all the time. We're out here constantly making videos, developing boats, developing parts and products, and we've got some new ones to lay on you guys this week that are totally awesome. But anyway, I'm out here with the Dominator. I got a castle system in there. Water's a little fuzzy, but this boat was running a bit wet. I think it's gonna have a real good time right now. Let's see. This is actually really good Dominator Mono, and I don't know why that goose decided to go right there, but your goose is cooked. Ooh, the boat was pointed the wrong way. I like that scream. It's doing a little better than 27. Woo! Now that was one great run at the water. One great strike at the laps. And that's just what I need every day in my life. I love running these things. I need the exhilaration of cutting those turns and leaving hard and everything. I just love boats. I love racing boats. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. So yeah, it's just something to keep in mind when you're going to buy a boat and when you're going to tell a friend where to buy a boat. Come to the place where someone actually runs the boats all the time. If you order a custom boat, I'll be building it. And I mean, look at all the build videos that I have. I wouldn't trust any of these custom builds from some of these other places. You know what I mean? Because you really don't know who's building it. And you know for sure the owner doesn't build boats and he doesn't play with them. So you want something built by a 30-time national champion, or 30 titles at least, national champion, over 100 speed records, sanctioned speed records on the books. Not just stick a GPS on it and get on Facebook and start lying to people. And that's pretty funny too. Like, there's a guy that's he did a comparison with the animal and Zonda or something like that, and he put a bunch of bullshit in the animal, and he didn't even buy it from us, and he's pretending that it's like a direct comparison. There's a lot of weirdos that really, they can't take in their minds what I've put together and what I've accomplished, and they try to kind of patch something together, and it just isn't the truth what it is. You know what I mean? Go with the company that has a warehouse full of these boats, titles, and comes at you guys every day. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Dominator, over and out.